Hello, friends. This is Mrs. Morales with Scholastic News. This week, we're going to read about one of my favorite plants, palm trees. The title of the text is Palm Trees in the Wind. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how the parts of a palm tree can help it survive a storm. You can watch the video Parts of a Plant before or after we read the text in our magazine to learn about parts of a plant and how each part has a special job. You can share with your adult what are the parts of a plant and why they are important. As we read the text, you're going to see words highlighted in yellow. Those are our vocabulary words for this magazine. Also, I want you to think about how trees and palm trees are different from each other. You can answer the question about the text with your adults. Now we're going to read the text. Palm trees in the wind. Time to go inside. A hurricane is coming. These storms can snap most trees in two, but palm trees are special. They can stand up to the strongest storm. A hurricane is a big and dangerous rainstorm with very strong winds. Hurricanes begin over the ocean, and they can strengthen or weaken as they move into land. Look at the orange box. The heading are the words in orange. The heading is going to tell me about this section in the text. A trunk that bends. Most trees have a stiff trunk. The trunk does not bend. A strong wind can push on the trunk. The wind can break it in two. But palm trees have a flexible trunk. The trunk can bend. The trunk does not break from strong wind. Stiff means that it is hard to bend. When you bend something stiff, it will break. Flexible means that it can bend. When you can bend something flexible, it does not break. Look at the picture. The palm tree trunks sway or move with the wind because they are flexible. Look at the green box. The heading is in green letters. No branches. Most trees have branches. The leaves on the branches get very wet in a storm. The branches get very heavy. This can pull the whole tree down. Palm trees do not have branches. They just have leaves. The leaves grow out of the top of the trunk. The tree does not get pulled down. Branches are parts of a tree that grows out of the trunk. Not having branches help the palm trees because it does not have something heavy that can make it break. Look at the blue box. The heading is in blue letters. So many roots. All trees have roots. Roots hold a tree in the ground. Palm trees have many roots. They spread out far. That helps hold palm trees in the ground, even in strong winds. Hurricanes are strong, but palm trees are ready. They are built to stand the storm. The root is the part of the plant that gets water from the soil. It also holds the plant in its place. Palm trees have a lot of roots that spread out far and wide, and it helps the palm trees stay grounded. Look at the gray box. Oh no, That tree fell down. This huge tree fell down and is blocking the sidewalk. Is it a palm tree? How can you tell? I know this is not a palm tree because it has a stiff trunk and lots of branches. This tree did not survive a storm or the strong winds. Now it's time to show what you know. You can complete the reading checkpoint worksheet. Remember, you can look back in the text to help you answer the questions. In writing, we are going to compare how trees and palm trees are the same and different. You can use the information from the text to help you finish the sentences. You can use the sentence frames in red to get you started and the words from the word bank to help you finish the sentences. Or you can create a Venn diagram. Venn diagrams are also used to compare how something is the same and different. You can draw a picture and add the information that you learned. Well, boys and girls, I can't wait to see you next week for another Scholastic News.